In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can skip maps here in Battlefield 6. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But if you don't like a certain map and you want to avoid it in your rotation, here's exactly what you are going to want to do. From the main menu, go ahead and scroll down till you have the option to actually browse modes. You can do this in this multiplayer section right here, and the first option that you're going to see is custom search. Go ahead and select that. Now pick the game mode that you want to go ahead and play. Let's say I want to do breakthrough, or I guess honestly all of them. We can use all of them as an example. You're going to see all the maps to the right hand side of that. Essentially, go ahead and find whatever maps you don't like say the larger vehicle heavy ones such as like Operation Firestorm. You can go ahead and take those off just by unticking it just like so. After that, back out, start your match, and the game is going to only load from the maps that you've specifically selected. So if you only want to play a specific map, go ahead and unselect everything except that specific map. It really is as simple as that. Hopefully this guide did help you out. If it did, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, remember that you can ask them down in the comment section below. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.